everyone. Happy Earth Day and happy Wednesday. I hope everyone has a wonderful day today. Please take some time today to think about our Earth and how you can make some changes in your life to make our Earth a little bit healthier. Maybe if you're outside today, if you see some trash, pick it up. If you finish a gallon of milk, maybe you can recycle it instead of throwing it away. If you leave a room in your house, maybe turn those lights off. Just think about some little ways this week, and especially today, how you can keep our Earth nice and healthy. So I hope all of us are excited for today. I'm going to go through again what I expect of you to do today. The first thing is always the same. Please do your daily morning check-in. Then you're going to, again, read for 20 minutes. After you have read, there is a video for you to watch today. It's a little lesson about how we compare and contrast two different stories that are supposed to be similar. And then you are going to get some task cards. You have 2 task cards. You are going to read them, and then you're going to compare and contrast one thing in those 2 different stories. You have a brain break. You're going to be running pretty fast today. And then for math, I ask you to log into iReady and do a lesson for 20 minutes. After that, you have a video about how to measure with a ruler. And then you have a really fun activity to do today. I ask at home is that you try and build a ramp of some sort. Maybe stack up some books on top of each other, something along those lines. Then you're going to roll some balls down a ramp. After you've rolled those balls, you're going to measure how far they have went, and you're going to record that for me in a chart. It's going to be really fun and exciting. Get creative today. Then you are going on your next virtual field trip. Today, you are visiting a recycling center. I thought it was appropriate since today is Earth Day, and you're going to learn about recycling and what they do exactly at a recycling center. When you are finished with your virtual field trip, it asks you to draw a picture of one of your favorite parts of the field trip, and then please have your parents send a picture of it to me. And then your day is finished. I can't believe it. It's going to go by so quick. I hope you enjoyed today. Try and get outside, enjoy your day, and have a wonderful day, mathematicians. See you tomorrow. Bye. Good luck today.